There is no doubt that the Linktree in your Instagram bio is a powerful marketing tool to get potential clients into your marketing funnel. But is it hurting your SEO? You're about to find out on today's 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Welcome to another episode of 2-Minute Tip Tuesday, where we provide you tips to help you grow your real estate or mortgage lending business. Today, we are talking about Linktree and how it impacts your SEO. Now, this is a question that has come up in a couple conversations over the past couple weeks. And on today's 2-Minute Tip Tuesday, I'm going to answer it. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and let's go. First off, just so we're all on the same page, let me explain exactly what Linktree and SEO are. Linktree is an extremely helpful and powerful marketing tool that allows you to host multiple links on a web page. And it's most commonly used within Instagram bios because Instagram restricts you to including only one link in your bio. By using a Linktree link in your Instagram profile, a web page will open up for people who click on that link, and on that web page you can direct people to a variety of landing pages that meet their specific needs. For example, you can include a link to current home listings, a link to an online home valuation tool, a link to a lead form, etc. So that's what Linktree is and how it benefits you. Now for SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization and is an extremely powerful marketing tactic to help you market your business. When you focus on building and improving your SEO, the goal is to get your business discovered more easily by a relevant audience searching for your services on search engines such as Google. The better your SEO is, the easier it is for potential clients to find you online. And one simple yet effective tactic you can use to help build your SEO is to link back to your website from all your social media profiles. This tactic helps build your brand and website's authority with search engines, especially when you have significant traffic going in between your social media accounts and your website. So the question is, how does including a Linktree into your social media profile affect or impact your SEO? The long and short answer is it doesn't negatively impact your SEO, but it doesn't help it either. That's because any and all activity that happens on your Linktree account, Google is simply giving that SEO credit to Linktree and not your website. So here's what I recommend. If SEO is not a marketing tactic that you're focused on or worried about, continue to use Linktree however it best suits your marketing needs. It's not going to negatively or positively impact your SEO. But if building your SEO is a marketing tactic that you're really focused on and you want to get your business to the top of search results on search engines, consider adding a link landing page to your website to replace your Linktree account. Not only will this page function the same as your Linktree account, but you will regain the SEO credit from Google and other search engines that Linktree has been stealing from you. In addition, you'll have so much more control over the branding and design of this landing page. That's the answer to how Linktree impacts your SEO and my recommendations for navigating around it. If you have any questions about this tip or any other tip, please leave those in the comments below and I will make sure to respond to each and every one of them. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you all again, same time next week, Tuesday, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, right here for another 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Have a great week, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Make sure you subscribe to the Homes for Heroes For Real YouTube channel for more great content to help you grow your real estate or mortgage lending business.